Hello, it's Marcia Regan here from Glow Your True Colours, and today I'd like to talk about how you can create congruent, solid pricing for your packages and your services. And this is this is gold dust. So a lot of people do their pricing from calculations, from their heads, from their mind thinking, I wonder, what would people pay? What are the costs of me running this? How can I create some form of a profit margin? And in my view and in my experience, that's not the best way to do your pricing. What I recommend and what I do for myself and my clients is I actually look at your service and your package as an energy container. So when someone works with you, they come into an energy container and you work with them together. And so this energy has a sense, has a feel, has a purpose. And from that, once you really connect and get to know what does your package, your container, your service do, then from there you can get a real sense and a feel and say, just like a person almost, like, what would this container like to receive? What payment would it like to get for this container? And then you get a sense of what that means, the transformation that it represents. Because the truth is, two important aspects when people work with you to consider. The signing the contract is the commitment, and the anchoring into the energy is the money exchange. Money is an energy. Money is a fantastic tool to transform, and it's not to be underestimated. And the other aspect is when you do any pricing, that you see your clients in an abundant way, that you see the highest possible possibilities for them, so that you enable them to excel what they currently see as possible for themselves. And when you create your packages and your pricing from that place, from that energy, because everything is energy. Every single thing is energy. You'll hear an awful lot about mindset, but in my experience, mindset does not change permanently until you work on the energetic level first. And this is why if you start creating your packages, so let's just imagine for a moment that you and I are having a conversation and are working together around your package. What I would do is I would get you to really, really, really get a sense and a feel and connect with the color that that package represents. And then from there, we really get acquainted with the package and your soul work, the aspect of your soul work that's to be done in that container. And from there, we get a sense of like what feels really good and solid and grounded as a pricing that this container would love to receive. Then you feel into that and you get the first kind of number that would come in. Now, that's really, really important to master your inner cues on this one, because I've had quite a few clients that say, yes, 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 it's this particular price. And because I'm so good at this, because I've been doing it now for so long, I know that it's made from their mind. And so I kind of tease nicely with them to say, look, what does that mean? And it turns out actually that they thought they were making this from their heart and their soul, but they were still making it from their mind, and there was some judgments coming in and money stories coming in, or not good enough, or all these little things were kind of slipping into the energy without them realizing. But if we were working together, we would really get a sense and get grounded into the heart and soul of this package and what that pricing corresponds to in relation to the transformation and the energy. And then the third step is really getting in full alignment with you having a program with whatever price point comes from that work. And what you'll feel like is you'll feel how you'll know that it's flowing, that this is the right package, the right pricing, is that when you say it out loud, that this is my package and this is the investment, then it will flow, and you will not have a reaction, like you'll have nothing on it. You'll be like, this is it. It's whatever amount it is. It's 1,500, 2,000, 750, but it will flow off your tongue, and you will not have a reaction. You'll be in complete alignment with your pricing, and that you can put a price on. I know this works because I personally have filled programs without a sales page. It's because I got completely aligned. I trusted that there are people out there that I have contracted to work with on a soul level. This package represents what they need, and the pricing that represents the transformation that allows them to step in to this container, and magic happens. When they say yes, I've had people who've literally had on paper nothing, and within 24 hours, a £30,000 deal literally land in their lap. I've had lotto winners, I've had new jobs, new opportunities literally come out of thin air. And it's all down to how aligned you are to your packaging and your pricing. So I hope this has inspired you to think differently, to show up differently when it comes to pricing your amazing packages, services, offering, so that you can really be available to work with your soul tribe, and that the package that you create is done so from an energetic point of view rather than from a mind or other stories, belief systems that actually are not serving you or your clients. And the other aspect, actually, before I finish here, that's come in now to pass on to you, is that see the greatest gift that you can do for your clients and your prospective clients is to see them abundant. Believe in them. Do not make your pricing from a lack. Make your pricing from a place of abundance, and whatever that represents for you. See your people that you work with as abundant, and you will get to really know the joy of the process of pricing from an energetic point of view. So if you are not already on my newsletter, where I share all these kinds of tips around how to really show up, it's success actually is 80% how you're being, energy, and 20% action. So I share a lot of content in my newsletters. So if you would like to be part of that, then you can sign up at www.glowyourtruecolors.com, and it's COLOURS. I'll put it underneath this video. And if you would really like to explore more and to get help on the inner game around your pricing, your packages, you being seen, you going after your greatness, and as you go after it, you become your greatness, then I would be delighted to offer you a 1-hour discovery call to get acquainted and to see where you're at and what your soul is calling you forwards towards. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching, and I will post the link underneath this video so you can book a 1-hour discovery call. Take care. Bye.